Hello, welcome to my channel. Yes, the AI Times, unlocking the future newsletter. Welcome to my channel. And I'm excited to show you the today's AI agenda. We will be exciting to discuss with you in today's AI agenda, latest newsletter, yes, and latest AI tools. And last about the prompt training, which related to the ChatGPT prompt, Bing browser prompt, Midjourney prompt. So yeah, heading towards my in today's agenda, I will be discussing with you. It's the latest news AI newsletter. So first news is related to the Google announced the slew of AI upgrade, and then Tesla fires up a new AI supercomputer. Then Quora chatbot launches the enterprise offering, and General Motors to onboards AI Musa, yes, and the New York Times, CNN, and Australia ABC block the OpenAI Chat GPT bot. Yes, latest AI tools will be exciting. In last sections, I will be sharing with you one of the great ones about the prompt tutorial, prompt training, which is the Chat GPT prompt, Bing browser prompt, Midjourney prompt. So yeah, I'm not wasting your time. Heading to my first news, which is the Google announces a slew of AI upgrade. So yeah, let's start it with our first news. Yes, here's my first news that we've been discussing with you. So, what is this, and what is this telling about Google announces slew of AI upgrade? So, yeah, what the report has been saying on this, Google unveiled an event sheet of a new AI tools and capabilities at the kick-off the company 3 days Google Next conferences in San Francisco yesterday. Key development. What is the key development in this? Google's cloud services adds 220 new pre-built AI models optimized for enterprise with the customers gaining access to third-party systems like Llama 2, Meta, and Cloud 2 Anthropic. Now, what second point will be what is the key development in the new AI watermark tools called the Send IDMs to help distinguish AI imaging while curbing disformations and deep fake. Open access of a cloud at customers to next generation TPU V5E AI training chips optimized for generative AI and LLML. Then Google's Dude AI Assistant is officially being rolled out across the major workspace apps with a price tag of $30 per month per users for enterprise. Update across the Google's cloud-based Vertex AI platform includes upgrade to Llama 2, enhance code generations, and new search and conversational models. And new Google's AI partnerships, including a General Motors, Fox Sports, Series 11, and more details and quick hits below. Yes, we have been discussing it below. While what will OpenAI ChatGPT Enterprise launches dominated the headline on a Monday, Google's really said hold by beer. With a laundry list of a new AI updates across its spearing tag and peer just a day later. So working towards it's what is it's in this article. So I will be sharing a video about this related to the Google. This is in a Google Cloud, and that's the it was the best Google's Cloud and X24, and it was Mr. Someone that missed the event. Go and watch this, and they have been announced a different latest new updates about the Google's tools. Yeah, so I will playing this video, and maybe you will like this.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this year's Cloud Next. We believe that making AI helpful for everyone is the most important way we'll deliver on our mission in the next decade. Today, we are pleased to be the first cloud provider to enable digital watermarking and verification for images generated on our platform.
Our generative AI products are delivering real results in every single discipline. I'd like to take a moment to thank the many customers who are announcing AI innovations with us right here at Next. Google Cloud's world-leading infrastructure delivers very high and predictable performance, unmatched reliability, and the very best security. All of these announcements offer our customers breakthrough levels of performance per dollar at the highest levels of reliability and scale.
Our two companies with two of the most talented, deepest computer science and computing teams in the world are joining forces to reinvent cloud infrastructure for generative AI. The amount of work that we're doing together in AI software is really incredible.
Fox Sports has been partnering with Google Cloud for 3 years to deliver innovation for broadcasts like the World Series.
Fox Sports has 1.9 million videos from games, equal to over 27 petabytes of data, and continues to ingest tens of thousands of hours of footage each month. We can now search our archives using natural language to find relevant clips, building content for fans more quickly and more easily than ever.
Estee Lauder Companies uses Gen AI to integrate the voice of the customer to drive product innovation and improve the shopping experience. Six Flags is helping the 20 million guests who visit their theme parks each year have even more fun with a new digital concierge in their app. All of this is made possible.
So yeah, that's really cool, exciting that Google Cloud coming with a really exciting news. There's really exciting about the building. There's how the building the cloud on the working. So yeah, it's good announcing their Google Cloud next 24 on April 11 Monday Abia Convention Center, Las Vegas. Yeah, it's so cool. Where AI next 23 explorations keynote. What are the keynotes in there? So yeah, it's exciting. Here's a valuable prospects and insights from the transformative leaders, including Sudha Pasha, the CEO, the CEO of Google Cloud. So yeah, all exciting is all about news about the Google's clouds. Yeah, it was towards it is for it, and I'm heading towards my next one. This is one about related to the my yes, this is related to the Tesla fires up a new supercomputer. So yeah, how cool is this? Tesla fires up a new AI supercomputer. The report, what the report has been saying in this article. So yes, in this. So I'm reading it. Tesla just announced a powerful 300 billion dollar AI supercomputer with a 10,000 NVIDIA chips, aiming to accelerate its controversial self-driving tech. Yeah, what is the key point in it? The new system's performance capability or reportedly is placed. It is one of the most powerful supercomputer in the world, and it is aimed to speed up training in a Tesla full self-driving software. So second point, the launch is part of the Tesla 40 B plus dollar investment in 44 billion plus investment in a dollar. So in a AI training over the next 2 years. So Tesla AI moves comes on the heels of both Elon Musk's FDA demo this past weekend, as well as the company upcoming legal battles over the previous federal crashes. Why does matter? So Tesla continues to push autonomously limits, and it is in a primary position to capture a massive value in the AI boom. However, looming a regulatory concern may hinder the pace of development. So yeah, Tesla has been investing in their new super computer. So let's see in this article what this article has been saying. It's cool is that. So this is about a flip the switch on its new AI clusters featuring 10,000 NVIDIA H100 computing GPUs. So yeah, Tesla is launched its highly anticipated supercomputer on Monday, according to the this is an Siri Merit. The machines will be used for Swedish artificial intelligence applications, but the cluster is so powerful that it could be also be used for demanding high performance computing (HPC) workloads. In fact, the NVIDIA H100 based supercomputer powerful machines in the world. Yeah, the Tesla new cluster will employ 10,000 NVIDIA H110 computer GPS, which will offer a peak performance of 340. So yeah, it's specifics over this performance of their chips for technical computing and 3958 INT8 XAFL loops for AI applications. In fact, the Tesla's 340 FP64 PFL OPS is higher than 304 FP64 PFL OPS offered by Leonardo, the world's fourth highest performing supercomputer. However, its new supercomputer Tesla is significantly enhancing its computing capabilities and train its fully self-driving FSD technology faster than ever. This could not only make a Tesla more competitive than others automakers, but will make the company the owner of one of the world's fastest supercomputer. Due to real-world video training, we may the largest training datasets in the world's hot-air catch capacity beyond the 200 PB, orders of the magnitude more than a LLM explains. Yes, it's about fixed over platforms of engineering manager and Tesla's. So what are why the while the new H10 based cluster is set to dramatically improve a Tesla's training speed, NVIDIA is struggling to meet the demand for these chips, GPUs. As a result, Tesla is investing over $1 billion to develop its own supercomputer, region which is on custom design highly optimized systems on chips. DJO will not only exploit FSD training but will also manage the data processing for Tesla entire vehicle fleet. This Tesla simultaneously bringing its NVIDIA H100 GPU cluster online along with the DJO, a moving that will give the company unparalleled computing power in the automotive industry. Along recently revealed that Tesla plans to spend over a $2 billion on AI training in 2023, another 2 billion 24, especially on computing for FSD training. This underscores underscores the Tesla's commitment to overcoming the computational bottlenecks and should provide a substantially advantage over its reveal. So yeah, how cool is that? Yes, Tesla has been investing in the building a supercomputer, yes, and it's been really good news for them. And it's how cool is that they have, for this they have been introducing a new AI models and machine learning on these things. So how cool is that? They have been investing in that way scale up their data or the efficiency of their things of making this super heavy computer. Yes. So my next news will be on. My second news will be Quora chatbot. Your launches enterprise offering. Quora AI chatbot has introduced many new features like a search for custom bots and an enterprise package for its premium plans. The company headed at a group of subscriptions for a business and its users such as yourself and I can sign up for the wait list here. ChatGPT, Google, and Pro introduced their enterprise offering in the space of 2 days. Does this mean AI companies are promoting to new business models? Yeah, Quora has also been introducing their SharePoint enterprise, something like that, that launches a bot search announces enterprise packages, something like that. Quora AI chatbot, we have repetitive piece, and the company announced many new features over the few days, including the for custom ports and new enterprise for premium plans. And an email sent to customers over weekend, where you announced that soon launches an enterprise package for employees. The company did not provide any further details, but said that interested people can sign up for it through the wait list. This offer sounds more like a group subscription package for a cooperative, so employees can use BIOS premium tier. However, this is no information about the customized chatbot for corporate client. So first launched subscriptions on March and has been offering early access to advanced models to paid users before rolling it on the free trial users. Last week, extended its chatbot's availability in a Japanese. Additionally, it launched a search functionality to look for custom bots. In April, it launched this feature to let users create their own custom bots using simple prompts. Now, the company has made it easy to discover these bots. Last month, Bio launched a temperature control for custom bots, with its bot have more weight, more consistent response. Yes, the new board search will are very excited to add the ability to search for boards on iOS web and Mac iOS today. So you can search for a specific board or discover a new one. Tolerate interest. This feature is coming soon on Android. one half and a two. Yes, so great is that. Earlier this month, Bio launched a threading feature so you can have a separate conversations with the same bot if you want to have a different context. Last month, company added a bot powered by the Llama 2 models, which have been deployed by the Meta. Yes, Quora made up for iOS public in February and launched the Android app in May. In July, the company launched the NetMake app for one-click access to chatbot. So this is exciting news about the Quora Pro launches bot search, announces the enterprise package. Cool school, news is cool. Then we have General Motors on a board AI image. General Motors GM, yes, integrating a Google Cloud's chatbot into a OnStar in a car can create services to handle non-emergency features such as route link, navigations, and other common inquiries. This is part of the GM Master's plan to create a 25 billion subscriptions business by 2030, purely by including AI concrete features. Imagine the stability with little to on overhead. So let's see in this articles about that article is being saying General Motors to use the AI chatbot for its OnStar services. Yes, General Motors has found a new way to get the generative AI buzz. This automaker is now using a Google Cloud's conversation chatbot, the Dingo Flow, to handle some non-emergency OnStar feature. The collaborations alongside a keynote from the Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai at the Google Cloud Next 23 event Tuesday. Star GM and Concrete has been powered by instant recognition algorithm Google Cloud's conversational AI since launch in 2020. Today's advancement allows its providing drivers with a response to common queries like routing and navigating assist. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the buying, ownerships, and interaction experience inside the vehicles beyond enabling more opportunity to deliver new features services, said Mike Abbott's executive vice president of software and services at GM. Our software learned approaches has accelerated creations of compelling and services for customers while driving and increasing efficiency across the GM enterprise. The work with the Google Cloud is another example of our efforts transforming how customers engage with our products and services. So yeah, GM says is a helpful Delgo Flow, its own star virtual assistants, now fielding more than 1 billion customer inquiries per month in the US and Canada. The service is available in most models 2015 and newly GM vehicle. Chatbot Star better to understand the customer request the first time it's spoken and can respond with a modern natural sounds voice according to GM. So yes, it's cool that they have started their own Google AI chatbot for its own star services. I think that's a good step by the GM. So what next? Yes, for next we have that's not a good news for the OpenAI chatbot. So New York Times, CNN, and Australia ABC blocked the OpenAI GPT bot. That seems to be really, 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 really nasty news. So yeah, it's not good for them because they are training their data on their base using their news data, New York Times data, and CNN data. There's a real time data, and they have, and seems to be here that OpenAI using their data and they train their model on based on that. So this article has been saying that the New York Times, CNN, and Australia ABC have blocked the OpenAI GPT bot web crawler from accessing their content. The New York Times recently updated its terms of services to prohibit the scraping of their content for AI training and other purposes. The outlet's robots text pages specifically disallow such GPT bot, preventing OpenAI from scraping content from the websites to train the AI models. Yes, other news outlets such as the Guardian have also blocked the GPT bot from accessing their content. OpenAI is a research organization that develops the artificial intelligence technology. GPT bot is a web crawler that scrapes the content from the website to train AI models. By the move by news outlets to block the GPT bot is seen as a step in the right directions to protect their content from being using without permission. Yeah, it's been not great to see. So that is articles over here. That's New York Times and CNN Australia, ABC blog the OpenAI. Bob, GPT bot web crawler from the assessing of content. So it's not a good news for the AI and for the open AI. So they train their models based on the getting a content from these news channels. They have the real content on it. So yeah, they have. We must regularize our open AI, our AI models, so that can be used and that can be assessed in an easy way, and that should be in a secure, so it cannot be used misuse of these things. So yeah, second, then we have. So yeah, then we have. I've been discussing. Let's that's more second section. That is I've been discussing with the trading AI tools. Yes, and seven latest trading AI tools. I would say that you would like this. First, I will be unlocking this about the tools, about the AI tools, that is gradient build a private LLM what you own. Yeah, so what is this? I will be showing you. It's this weird looks website, good nice choreography or nice looks yeah, tools, nice look website. Yes, product blog and document pricing. So what is this all about? Is this so I just fine tune, get a competitions on LLM to with a simple web API, no infrastructure needed. Build a private SOC2 compliant AI application instantly. API developer platform, a private LLM or you own, built with a private models that only you can access. Full stack, full unlock models built with any language. Can build with any what you want with this state of the art models. Use the best open sources models that are available. Protection grade cloud. Yes, all this is the only LLM developer API that helps you build a private AI application that you own. How cool is that? Website is this tool. So this is a payment version server blog. Go and sign up and try this. I would say this is really cool, exciting to build your own model using API. Yes, I think so. Great in everyday AI for the rest of us. Yeah, call. So second one is related to the Wimcal calendar app on a steroids assets user and scheduling and organizing the events efficiently. So it's a Wimcal. So how does look like? Websites. The world's fastest calendar. Wimcal is the world's fastest calendar designed to give you a control over your time. That will control your time. How cool is that? Yeah, I think that will control your schedule. Yes, and it show your calendar how you organize your calendar. Yes, it's AI. So go and try this. Already have an account. Go and sign it if you have an account, or get a Wimple for free over here. Go and try this tool. So second, then third one is Speak AI. Turn your language data into insights fast and with no code. So what is it all about this? So this is how it's look like. This is yeah, Speak product solutions pricing. They have resources have about a content. Turn your language data into insights fast with no code. Join plus company researchers and marketer users speak to reduce the manual labor, unlock a competitive advantages, build your stronger customers relationships, make a better decisions. Go and try this. This is better step one. Yes, yes. This is tested by the 1 lakh plus and credible peoples and trumps. Yes, looks good. And go try this too. Looks good for me. So I'm going a little bit faster and start with fourth one is a post-wise craft well tweets in a seconds. So it will give you tweets, I think so. AI tweets. So yeah, write an amazing post in a second. Craft amazing post with the AI schedule FLS and watch your followers grow. Go, it will create your post on Twitter. Try with a LinkedIn or you can try it with that Twitter I think it is X. Should be updated. They have not updated, but they have updated this X over there. So go and try this post twice, and then I will be discussing about that. Will be about top 5 Ultra AI assess detailed business research on a company's. Let it research on a company. Assess business research on any company. Yeah, it's AI. Our AI agent agencies can search the web and synthesize data from various sources to produce the detailed research and reports and get the speed of any company streamline over your due diligence. Try this. There's a notion of the Peterson's post help.com open AI. So it looks good. It will search out your business, get started, sign in. How cool is that? And then we have is ShopMate helps you convert the schools into a buyers with AI. How cool is that? Convert the scrolls into a bias with AI skills. Sales trained AI chatbot, AI powered personalized product recommendations for more AI commerce conversations shop made in the badge between your growing investor and your future customers. Try shop made free. Go and try this. This looks good. Try it for free. Interested by it's me. There's a go and try this too. ShopMate, it looks good to me. And last, Spacely, yeah, Spacely AI is your interior design copilot, yes, copilot. I think I pronounce this really well. So yeah, it is. What is that? Oh, it's cool and cool. It's cool about designing your interior. Yes, it will be designing your bedroom, living room, kitchen, working bathroom. It's just totally AI. Decorate your with using these AI customized tools. So it looks good. Yeah, it's treated really well by this website. So go and try this. This is home tools. This is explore ideas over here. Go and sign in. I think so. They have a pricing as well. Enterprise API partnerships. Welcome to the Spacely AI. Go and try this tool. It's good. One who's really and love to decorate their house, kitchens, whatever they want to decorate. Go and try this tool. This have a premium, but I think so. If you try it, literally they will come up with the really great things for you. So try this AI tools. Looks good to me. And last, I will be sharing that my really great news about the really prompt tutorial. And first, I will be sharing about the ChatGPT prompt. It's understand your Google Sheet formula. So what is the prompt is about ChatGPT prompt, and it will be share your Google Sheets formula. So that will explain the meaning of the format in a simple terms where to use it formula and reset your formula over here. Just write and go and chat GPT, just copy it, or you can stop my video and follow the steps written over here. There's the formula of some and it will be described with whole bunch of details in it over there. So let's understand the Google Sheet formula. So try this. I think it's great. And then Bing browser prompt, a credit card comparison. Yes, it will be credit card comparison. Oh, things looks really weird. Build a table for a 10 popular speeding categories in dining, grocery, etc. Choose the optional credit card to use. Yeah, the highest percentage cash back or from the list I provide here. List cards you own. If you have list card, what is the rules on this? For columns includes a speed category, best card, and cash back rate and percentage returns. To determine the cash value of the points, take the average of the points and need wallet current valuations. You should pick the best card from the list above only and not consider the cards I do not have. For war cards with popular observations, use the observations abbreviations as the card name in the table. CSP, ME, Express, Gold, MEXP, Buzz, Gold, etc. So yeah, try this prompt. It will comparison it and will give you the details about this. Just try on the Bing browser prompt, copy and paste which cards you have been credit card you've been comparing depends upon you, and including the categorize them the speed category and best card and the cashback rate and percentage rate. So it will make them such columns on it, and it will give you details on it. Think this was great and very intenseful for you. And last, it will be a mid-journey prompt, hyper realism. So hyper realistic textures, pieces details, realistic style life, realistic portrait, and realistic landscapes. Yeah, its background has been giving you. That's an example of the over there I have generated on a mid-journey prompt. So here's the example of it. It's in a fruit, juicy fruits over there, and there is an suffix over there. You can copy paste on it, and what is your prompt is that in last you have just put over there like this hyper realistic structure, yes, and presence details, and we have a realistic still life, realistic portraits, and realistic landscape. Yeah, that's it. That's today's in AI agenda. Yes, my today's newsletter. I hope you like my today's AI agenda. So do subscribe for the latest news and for latest upcomes details about the about the AI latest tools. Yes, news about AI news, which you like this, I would say. And last, I will be each and every time I will be sharing with you, yeah, these prompt tutorial, which will help you upgrade your upgrade your prompt engineering. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Thank.